Spider!
Spider-Man, hey! Need a little help? Hey! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Coming in hot! Gotcha! And you're safe! You too! Do you have any non-destructive hobbies?
Fly fishing! On the Volga!
That sounds nice!
The power over life and death!
Oh, baby!
Excites me!
Less nice! Gotcha!
Thank you!
You're welcome! Don't scare babies! Hey! You know you're ruining Christmas, right?
The last 6 Christmases I was locked behind 30 feet of steel! I intend to enjoy this one! He's a menace! Too soft. He's a low-energy menace! Too easy. Maybe he's a weak-minded! Oh!
Hey, Jonah! Looking good! Very festive!
Menace! A feckless, treacherous, unhinged menace! Right here!
Mijo, ¿dónde está? It's getting late.
Hey, Mom! Yeah, coconut milk. Still trying to find it. Been kind of, an adventure.
Are you running?
Yeah, sorry. Trying to catch a train.
Mira, mijo, no seas mentiroso. Grab the milk and hurry home, please.
Sí, Ma. Te quiero mucho.
Yo también te quiero.
Now or never, Miles! You gotta stop him! On my way! We gotta bring him down, fast! Yeah, what do we do?
Let us raise temperature!
Oh, bad, very bad! Pete, are you okay? No. No!
I'm okay. I've got him. Headed your way. Be ready.
Okay. Yeah. Might, need a minute. Tip for the police. Maybe don't bring RPGs to the prison convoy next time. Maybe don't bring RPGs anywhere.
You got Alexei! No. Okay, that was pretty good. Get out of here, Spider-Man. You're making things worse.
Man, I'm trying to help you. More guys up top. Pete, it's getting hairy out here. Police and escapees are shooting it out.
Back up the police. I can hold out a little longer.
He's counting on me. I gotta stop these guys. Don't let him get you with that stuff! They're all over that bridge. He can't lose. He never loses.
Miles, need your...
Pete! Hang on, man! Hang on! Spider-Man, you good? Pete. 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 Wake up. Wake up, man. Wake up, man.
This Spider-Man is broken. I would like to exchange for new one. This one will do.
Miles, get out of here. Bro. Back the hell? What was that? How am I even doing this? Electrocyte? Some kind of field induction?
You survive while your mentor perishes. How unexpected.
And you're using words longer than crush and smash! Very unexpected! You're not gonna keep pushing people around, Alexi! I'm not gonna let you hurt anyone else!
I am excited to see you try, small one.
Don't come after my friends, or I will come after you! Whoa! Hey,
You are worthy of hope, small one.
Flattery's not gonna get you out of this, Alexi.
You will not stop me.
You destroyed half the city! Don't you care? You know, man, chasing you through the city kind of felt like a wild what's the word? Wild goose chase!
Wild goose? No. No! I hate taste of goose!
Hey, man, is the rap really that bad? You sure you don't want to just, you know, go back? You alive? Kinda.
Guys? Wow, just... wow. Simon Krieger, head of R&D at Roxxon Energy. Pleasure to meet you.
You too. Sorry. I think our ball landed in your yard.
No, actually did us a favor. We just bought the place. We're planning to tear it down for a build. But looks like you beat us to it. I wanted to thank you, both of you. Taking down Rhino? Solo? You are going places, bud.
Thanks. But he's still dangerous.
Nah, we'll hold him for the police. You know, I always think these super troopers are overkill until something like this happens. Oh, duty calls. Hey, really great to meet you both. Future's looking bright. Hello. Hey.
He's right.
Yeah.
Let's clear out. Let the police do their job.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.